Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a review for the new K&F very tall tripod. I'm really surprised with this product, it's really cool. So let's start with what you get. Of course, this is the box, and then you get this carrying case, which is quite helpful. Mind that the tripod is quite high, quite big, I'll show you, and it's not going to fit in your regular photography backpack. And this one is very handy. You also get the strap to attach it so you can carry it like this. More things about it, this tripod. I was really impressed when I got it. The thing is, it's a bit heavier, I would say, because it's really tall and really strong. And I'll show you some super cool features. I used it for like 10 times, and the reason why I bought this is not because I don't have enough tripods, because I have like around 7. Just because it's really tall, and I use it for real estate photography. So compared to other models, I think this one so far is my favorite because it's super multifunctional. So let's start from the head. We have here, when we remove the mount, it's quite easy. On all the other tripods you can use the mount, it's very easy. So if you have multiple tripods, K&F is gonna fit. There is a very nice branding, K&F on the plate, and here, I'll come a bit closer so you can focus. Here they have these two holes, and when you put the plate, it will not allow for the camera, even though it's not locked properly, it will not allow for the camera to flip. And also, this one really helps to put a camera in front and in the back. I cannot show you the camera because I'm filming with it, but you get the idea. Also here you have some lines, whatever, and on the plate you have a line so you can adjust, and you can put the camera way closer in the spot where you previously used it. There is a bubble level over here, which is kind of cool as well. If we lock this, all right, and then we're gonna go and I'll show you other things. The model of this ball head you can find to buy it separately. It has the model is KF28. Obviously you can do 360 with it. Here he has these numbers, graduates, I don't even know what to call them. So it will help you for 360 images or panoramas and all that. It goes really smooth, and that's super cool. Here's the clamp to lock the ball head. I was quite surprised because when I saw it, I thought it's kind of small, but in fact I really like it because it's kind of strong. And if you lock it, you don't have any kind of problems. It holds the camera. I'm using a Nikon D750 with a Sigma 35, and I can't say that it's quite heavy, but it holds, and you're not gonna have any problems. So if you want to remove the ball head, just go like this, and obviously you're gonna have the big screw. Sorry, I just dropped that. You're gonna have the big screw, and you can just put it back. Any type of ball head works on this tripod, and that's really helpful. Okay, so now I'm going to show you other things about it. If you can adjust the focus, please. All right, so this is the size. I'm 182, tall 182, and this is the size of the tripod folded, basically. So now we're gonna fold it. What I like a lot about this one, it has 3 section of legs, and to open these ones, because you open and close these ones every day, like probably 20 times, you just go and keep your hand and you do all 3 at the same time, and they just unfold. It's super easy to fold and unfold. This is a really cool thing. Basically, all the legs are the same. I will show you in a minute how tall it is. I'm just gonna unfold one section, and I'm just gonna put it like this, right? So if you continue with the top part, there is a clip over here. If you open this one, it goes a bit on top, and That's the magic. This is when the magic happens. You got a traverse, and in order to keep the traverse, you can even tell me closer, far. To keep the traverse steady, no, the tripod to be steady, K&F did a really good thing, because they put here a mark, stop, and basically you shouldn't go more than this. Then you lock it, the key, and basically the tripod stays, and you can use the camera for different angles. On this side it has another clip that basically you can rotate the ball head, which is super good. Sometimes I put a camera over here and I film using this technique. It goes really smooth. That is super cool. Alright, now I'm going to show you something else. If you have unlock this one, you see it goes again more on top. So basically we just open one section of the legs, and it's already quite high. As I said before, if you open this screw, you can just play with it like this. Alright, compared to other models, this wheel over here is super comfortable and super nice. You have these clips. How do you operate them in order to open the legs and to lock them? If you press and if you just go like this, then you can open the legs more than usual, and you can get like super close-up angles and all that. You can even go like super crazy and just have these angles. This is how you unfold it. If you press this one, see the legs come on top, and basically you unfold it and you get less space. So obviously I will show you that as well. Alright, so if we put this back, the traverse, you get everything in this tripod. Honestly, it's extremely cool. And now I will show you how tall it is. So this is why I have to go in back. So as I said before, you have 3 sections of legs. Yeah, and the maximum height is 2.30 meters. I don't know how much is that in inches, but I'll show you, and it's absolutely incredible. Yeah, so this is basically is not even the maximum height. I'm 1.82 meters, and you can even go more than this. I will show you. We're gonna take some. We're gonna film a bit outside. What I use it for, and how cool is this one. And you can even go, yes. So basically I'll say this, I don't even think there is it's more than 2.30 meters, I think, if you open this section. Mind that when it's completely unfolded and you want to use the maximum height, then I would suggest to take something heavy and use the hook that is over here in order to make it more stable, because it might be windy, drafty, and you don't want to have your camera on the ground by any means. All right, something else that you can do with a tripod. If here there is a hook, as I said, to load weight. If you open this one, mind that it takes a bit of skill to open. Good. Mind, put this aside. Don't lose it, because it's very important. And if you open this one here, what you can do, take this part, and basically you can put this one upside down. You can put a tripod upside down, the camera upside down. So put it here, and then you can take pictures of things that you can put on the floor, like tabletop videos. You can do tabletop photography, and because the tripod is very tall, there is enough of space between the legs to put all your backdrops and all that stuff. One other thing, so if we have this section over here, yeah, and we can transform this tripod into a monopod. How do you do that? It's quite easy. Where you see this leg with this grip over here, Just do the following. Hold the tripod from this side, and with this one, just unscrew it, and it just came out. You put the rest of the other legs, and you're gonna attach this part to the leg, and you're gonna have a very tall, mine that is very tall monopod. I'll show you how to do it if you wanna have less height. It's yes, completely unfolded, and we can do the following to get more, which is basically probably like 2 meters and a half, something like this. You can't even see in the video because the lens is not wide enough. And I'll show you outside what we can do with this one. It's really cool. But if you don't want to get if you don't want your monopod to be so high, what you can do, unfold one leg, obviously, one section of the leg, and obviously you're going to have a shorter monopod. Or what else you can do? You can unfold, take only the leg, the section, and you can attach only the ball head. You remove the ball head, yeah, and then you screw it to the leg. You can see it's the same screw. Mind here that you have to screw it properly to be more solid and all that. So yes, now we're gonna go outside and I'll show you why I'm using why I bought this one and why I think it's a very, very cool device. So as I said outside, we went outside to show more things about this tripod. So as I said, I take pictures of houses, and you know when you have if you put a camera on this tripod like this, and you have this point of view, it's not very cool. And this is why I bought a really tall tripod, and I'll show you a super good trick. So if we unfold this one to the max, we can go even more max like this, right? And one more step. So you put a camera here, obviously, as I said, mind to keep your tripod very, very stable. You have to use a hook that is over here. I have to move because the one car is coming. And you put a camera over there, and obviously the point of view when you take pictures of a house, it's different. It's going to be like this from the front. You cannot achieve the same thing even if you hold the camera on your hand. But usually when I take pictures of a property, I take like 4 or 5 pictures and then I blend them. So I put a camera over there, I use a remote control, and I just press, and basically that's it. And yeah, hope you find this helpful.